Venezuela is a South American country. There is a food shortage in the country along with an increase in prices of food, so people can't afford to purchase it. Groups of people have started looting the stores. The store owners are now purchasing guns to keep themselves safe from the loot. Due to the chaos, 7 people have reportedly died so far. The country is ranked as one of the most violent in the world. In the first 11 days of January alone, some 107 looting incidents have taken place. So far, the looting is concentrated in the poorer regions of the country. First question: why do you think the looting is concentrated in the poorer regions of the country? Second question: if you were in Venezuela, how would you avoid the violence? Let's discuss this in the classroom today.